Since it's just me, I'm going to use my finger. And I usually prepare things to taste. That has just a little tangy with the mustard, so I'm going to add just a dab more ketchup. Yeah, see, it got darker, so you can usually tell by the consistency of the color. Yeah, that's a lot better. I'm going to add honey to my barbecue sauce. Since honey just out of the refrigerator or off the shelf is a little cold and it'll be a little hard to mix in, I'm going to microwave it for possibly 15 to 20 seconds. Just enough to give it a more liquid consistency to where it will mix into the rest of the sauce. It doesn't take long. As you can see, the microwave melted to where it's more liquid. It's more of a loose consistency, more like water, so that it'll mix into the sauce a lot easier. Now that's a honey barbecue sauce.